Hi everyone, welcome to this video on learning maths through hands-on activity. We are going to try out the hands-on activity hidden number activity frame for numbers to 100 chart activity. Now, in the previous video, you have seen how we've managed to make out these game tools here. Alright, if you have not seen it and have not created it, do check out the video link below. You realize that on the two frames here, it's a bit same but different. It's the 1 less 10 less, 1 more 10 more activity frame. Now, do you know why we have two different frames? Now check your 100 chart. There's two sides to it. Do you see how they are identical but different? But also different? So how are they different? That's right. So for one of the number 100 chart, you have 1 at the top and 200, 100 at the bottom. And on the other side of the 100 chart, you have 1 at the bottom and 100 on top. That means you have 1 to 100 in different order. Okay? As a result, one of this hidden number activity frame is for using on one side of this 100 chart. Which one is it? Do you realize? So let's say if I follow the example here, it says pick a number between 1 to 100. Look for the number on the 100 chart. Now for a start, perhaps I would like to use the center number as the known number. Okay, so this is the number that I'm going to choose, right in the middle here. Let's go for the number between 1 to 100 and look for the number on the 100 chart, placing the frame onto the number on the 100 chart. Let's say if I was to put this number on 67 here. Okay, so I have a frame here on the number 67. If I look here, there are some clues on the frame. Think of the answers to the hidden numbers, more and less, and check your answers under the flaps. Now you can do this activity with your friends, with an adult at home, or even your siblings. Try it out, okay? You can do it in the different ways. So the first of all is, if I have a known number, let's say 67 here, you can guess what's going to be the missing number in front, behind, above, and below in of 67 in the 100th chart. So 1 less, that's a clue. So 67, and this hidden number should be, that's right, 66. How about one more? One more than 67 will be 68. That's right, you got it. Now, let's look at the clues here. If it's 67 in this blank, what is the number above? It says here the clue is 10 less. So what's 10 less than 67? That's right, it is 57. Good job there. How about 10 more than 67 then? 77. That's right. Okay, so that's the first way you can play with the activity frame. You can place it on another number and give it a go. For example, if I were to choose 43, can you guess what are the numbers? 1 less, 1 more, 10 less, and 10 more of 43. Cool. Get an idea of how to play this game already? Now, if we are using, say, the other one here, realize that this is the one that we were using. Now, if you were to use this one here, you know that you have to use the other side of the 100 chart. Why? Let's take a look at the example here. For example, let's choose 24. If I have my missing number 24, what's 10 more than 24? You realize that it's 34. And 10 less than 24 is 14. That's correct. Okay, so that's the other activity frame that we have to be used on the other 100 chart. Now, there are more ways to play this game. For example, I can choose to use a different flap as the 100 missing number. So, for example, if I were to say, let this be a known missing number, say 45. What do you think the number here should be? Oh, that's correct. 35. Alright, so by right, this number should be 10 less than 45. Okay, so that's the other way. I could use the other flaps as the missing number and work backwards. So if 36 is one more than the hidden number here, if 36 is one more than the hidden number here, then one less than 36 should be 35. Okay, so these are the two activity frames that I have. Okay, and to be played with the 100 chart here. And I hope you really enjoy this game with your parents, any adult, or even your friends and classmates. Have fun!